Another year gone by. We see the candles light. Friends and family all around. Let's make a wish tonight. Laughter fills the air. Love is everywhere. Cake and joy in sight. Everything feels just right. Happy, happy birthday to you, to you. Happy, happy birthday. This day is all for you. Memories will create. Together celebrate. Wrap the gifts with care. Good vibes we all share. Dance and sing out loud. Stand out in the crowd. Moments like these rare.
Sir, tagal pa tayo ng isang chair?
Uy, Karen, tanda mo.
Na!
Shake your hands, shake your feet. One more time. Touch your toes.
Ang galing ni Kuya. Kuya Dylan. Wow. So, tagdagat talaga. Up! Okay, Kuya Jared, yung frequent daw. Ayan. So, okay. Tanggal tayo ulit ng isa. Ayan. Go, Kuya Dylan. O, diba? Practice that. Well, that's
Happy, happy birthday.
Wala nalaglag.
Happy, happy birthday. This day is all for you.
Buti mo akong malaglag. Alam niyo
Wake up, sunshine, new day. Birthday wishes on the way. Candles, lights, and joy. Okay, time to laugh and play. Gifts and laughter all around. Smiles waiting to be found. Happiness in every sound. Birthday girl, you're crowned. Happy, happy birthday to you. Here's a day that's bright and true. Cake and love for me and you. Singing love will party through. Every second full of cheer. Friends and family standing here, celebrating every year. Birthday magic we revere. Balloons rising to the sky. Birthday dreams will never die. Dancing stars, a twinkling eye. It's your day, so fly so high. Happy, happy birthday to you. Here's a day that's bright and true. Cake and love for me and you. Singing love will party through.
Ko sa apo ko na si Jay Manuel ay maging mabait at masunuri siyang bata at maging mabuti at maayos sa kanyang kalusugan at maging masunuri siya sa kanyang mga magulang.
Magpaano mo guys, ready na birthday din.
Pati, okay? Next one is Kuya Marco.
Hoy, Marco!
Sitang ka lang yan, okay? Kuya Marco.
Oo nga, pero sa my birthday. Ganito yan, grade 1 kaya ano. Happy ka lang lagi sa school mo, tapos sumunod ka lagi sa parents mo, be happy ka lang lagi. Always make.
Thank you, Kuya Marco. Okay, next ko is Tito Nico. Ayan, si Tito Nico.
Kay Manuel, ang wish ko is lumaki siya na buting bata and then meron
Dito
siyang
ka kali,
takot sa
paano
Diyos.
pag umalis ako dito
And then,
ka?
yan ligtas sa
Mag-wish
mga
ako eh.
sakit karamdaman. Ayun lang.
Stay ka na dito. Kasi
Oh,
picturean mo, may
Kuya Tito Nico. And next one is Kuya Kenji. Okay, si Kuya Kenji.
lahat. Oo, lahat ah.
So, happy birthday, Miguel. Sana lumaki ka na mabuti at matalinong bata. Pero sigurado naman ako na mangyayari yun kasi nga, yung parents mo, magaling matalino, mabait. Sana wish ko rin sa'yo na lagi kang healthy at tigtas.
Thank you, Kuya Kenji. Next po is Tita Ria. Si Tita Ria po. Ayan.
Manuel, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana lagi kang malambing, mabait na bata, at huwag matigas ulo, mapakinggan mo lagi si nanay at tatay. Tsaka maging God-fearing kayo. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Thank you po, Tita Ria. Okay, next po is Tita Eria.
Hi Manuel, happy 7th birthday. Ang wish lang ni Tita sa'yo is sana lumaki kang mahal mo yung parents mo, and sana matupad lahat ng dreams mo, and always remember na kami na tita mo is nandito lang for you and your kuya.
Thank you, Tita Eria. And then, last po is for the 7th wish is Tatay J. Ayan, si Tatay.
Happy birthday, J. Manuel. Alam mo naman yan, nak, mahal na mahal ka ni tatay, tapos ni nanay. Gagawin ang lahat para maibigay yung mga gusto ninyo. Basta mag-aaral ka lang ng mabuti. Yun, masaya na ako nun. Love yan, nak.
Tatay J. Okay, for the 7 gifts. Okay, Manuel, stay. Meron pa tayo, meron. Okay. 7 gifts po. For the 7 gifts po, i-open po ni Manuel. And then, yun po is, i-describe po ninyo bakit po ayun ang binigay natin for Manuel. Okay? First po is si Konkon. Konkon.
Explanation ko. Give me tayo. Ako ba sila? Wala, si Fern yata. Fern!
Ayan. Car. Kasi, bakit? Hindi kasi tinatanong siya ni tita niya kung ano daw yung gift. So, sabi, car. Pero, in a way, parang nandito naman kami din to support you na maabot yung mga dreams or and ambitions mo.
Ay,
So,
sabihin mo ha.
pag-igihan mo lang. Spirit, please ma'am.
Say mo happy birthday. Say mo favorite mong
Thank you. Okay, next is Kuya Kalen. Ayan si Kuya Kalen.
Kailin, ano ba yun?
Kaya po ayun yung naregalo ko po, kasi alam ko po si Manuel mahilig po mag-color, tsaka binili po namin yan para na may mga panggamit din po siya sa school.
Malapit ka na.
Gusto ko po sana lumaki ka ng healthy at maging masunuri kang bata.
Kuya Kalen. Next is Fernando. Ayan, si Fernando.
Marunong yan. O bakit yan yung gift mo? Bakit daw yan yung gift mo? Sabihin mo, ba't yan yung gift mo? Favorite niya. Kayo na nga magsabi.
Okay na? Ayan, kaya si Fernando. Next is Tito Jeff.
Ngayon, kaya yan yung binigay ko kasi ayun yung request niya sa akin. Ayun yung gusto niya. Kaya, yan. Wish ko sa'yo, wala naman kagaya ng wish lang ng lahat. Ayun din sa akin. Parehas lang. Happy birthday po.
Oh, Tito Jeff. Ayan si Tito Leia. Next one is Tita Leia.
Happy 7th birthday, Manuel. Wish ko sa'yo, sana lumaki kang mabuti at mabait na bata at may takot sa Diyos. Itong toy na to, gift ko sa'yo kasi alam ko favorite mo to at pag yakap-yakap mo to, maaalala mo ako. Happy birthday!
Okay, next is Tito Jericho.
First is happy birthday kay Manuel. And ang gift ko sa kanya is pwede lang na wish for him is sana lumaki siyang mabait. Yun lang.
Last one for the 7 gifts, Mama Karin. Mama Karin.
O, pera din.
Okay, be ready for the 7 roses po ha.
Birthday, Manuel. Wish ko sa'yo, maging mabait ka at masunori sa magulang, ha? Ito, bigyan ko sa'yo pambaon mo. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you po for sa atin sa mga 7 gifts na nagbigay. And next one is for the 7 roses, okay? Wow! Okay. After this po, wow! May pag-turn si Ate Rosie.
Just a little change.
O, tumingin ka po. Tama to nakatingin.
And now, ladies and gentlemen,
Dapat ito nakaharap.
Okay, next is si Tita Mitch. Okay, si Tita Mitch. Magla, come here.
just a step. Just that
baby. I must admit, I'm a real
Okay, next is si Tita Dal. Very magaling pala sumayaw si Manuel.
feel it.
Permission number. Okay, be ready, Ate Kaylin.
Are you talking to me?
Yan, okay, TikTok, Masha.
Tinitigan ko, nilapitan ko, hanggang sa madiwata na magdinag ko. Nalasing, kagabi, ang galing, kagabi, naparating sa iyong
Okay, be ready for Charm. Tita Pergy, sorry, Tita Pergy. Sorry, Tita Pergy. My Manuel.
Gusto niyo na kasi mag-iwan.
Naka-answer si Manuel at si Tita Pergy. Okay, next is Charm. Ayan, si Charm. 너를 보면 Okay, we're ready for Nanay Ayen. Mahina. One more. Lala Chan. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, Lala Chan. Come on. Ayan, we have a special guest. Stand up from here, Manuel. Special Manuel. Okay. Ayan. Alright. Here is Lala Chan. Okay. A proper, open, spirit, energetic, bubbly, and lovely. Say hi to Lala Chan. Ayan. Lala Chan. Okay. Dito po tayo sa harap. And we will sing a happy birthday for Manuel. Together with Lala Chan. Sige kids. Lapit tayo. Okay? Dapat malakas ang boses natin when we sing a happy birthday for Manuel. Okay, let's sing a happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Say. Alright, ayan. Blow the candle and make a wish. Ayan, very good. Clap your hands, kids. A wish. We will give you a gift from Lala Chan. Ayan, naroon gift from Lala Chan and Kidsuna Cash and Carry. Alright, ayan. Okay, Mami and Daddy, dito po tayo sa harap. And let us take a picture po. Group picture, family picture.